Hello, I'm Stacy Paulson. I am a wife, mother of 6 amazing children, an entrepreneur, and an essential oils guru. And I want to talk to you about something I wish I would have had back when I was dating. Because if you're in that dating mode, or if you can remember back in that dating mode, I remember going out to eat and it was fun, but oftentimes the things that we ended up eating or doing, like my stomach didn't feel so well. And maybe it was like a little bit of stress, a little like, oh, does he like me? Or I don't like him. Let's get out of this. I don't know. But I just remember often coming home and just, oh, my stomach just hurt. And I have a solution to that. But what I also know is that oftentimes you're sitting in that car and you just, like, you have gas. Let's be honest. You just have gas and you cannot relieve yourself. And so it just kind of builds up and you're in pain. And I'm kind of guessing it's on the other end too with the person that you're going out with. And this could be your spouse now. And sometimes after you get married, they don't worry about relieving themselves. And that is just disgusting. So I think we all experience that. And what a great solution that we have. And like I said, I wish that I would have had this back when I was dating. And it's been super helpful now being married and having kids for me, my spouse, and my kids. It's been great. So Digestive is a blend. You can't really see that, and we've used a lot of it. So Digestive comes in like an oil bottle, and then it comes in a roller bottle. Also comes in these capsules. But the roller bottle is super convenient because you can just take it out and roll it on your stomach, and within minutes you will feel some great relief. It's very good at supporting your digestive system and functioning optimally. If you don't want to smell like Digestive, then don't put it on your stomach. It smells a little bit like black licorice, so depending on where you're at and if you like the smell or not, you might not want to roll it on. So you could use the bottle and just do a couple of drops either directly in your mouth and swallow, or put some in some water and swallow it. However, if you don't like the smell or the taste of it, which some people don't like the taste of black licorice, can't figure that one out though, that you can take these capsules, and so you just take the capsule, has Digestive in it, and use it. And it can be used prior to going out, so you're kind of preventing any kind of issues there. Or if you start feeling that coming on, you can easily take one in. It works super fast. And this is good and safe for you, for your kids. If you have little kids or babies, then I recommend just rolling it on and having it diluted when it's in the Digestive Touch. That means that it's diluted in this roller bottle, that you can just roll it on their little tummy, and it can help them with, digestive support that they might need for a myriad of different things. So if you're wanting to have a great date and have it pleasant, not smelly, or not in pain, then you might try Digestive. And if you have any questions or need support in any way, please click on the links below or reach out to me, and I would love to support you in your essential oil use.